Hey guys, how's it going? We're taking a deep dive into how to get started with Xcode so you can start developing iOS apps really fast. Let's go deep. Now in this video we are looking at how to take advantage of Swift playgrounds. If you follow the previous videos of this tutorial, you already know how to find your way through Xcode and how to build and run your projects in the simulator or in your own iPhone or iPad. Now in Xcode, just go to File, New, Playground, choose iOS and blank, save it. And now there you have your editor. In the main editor, you can enter the source code. On the right, you will see the results after you press play on the margin, like that. You can have more lines of code and then run the code until the point where we want it. For example, if we had another string here, we can simply run our code like this. This is a great tool to practice your Swift coding skills. We can even test UI, and it will be also shown on the right pane as well. Let's try a little example on how we can show test UI. We can erase this code, create a new class called our table view controller, and the way we run this code is by calling the playground page and the current and get our live view, and we are going to call our newly created class example. So when we run this code, we should see on the live view an interface which interacts just like any other interface, like you do with building with Storyboard. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you found this tutorial useful. I'll see you on the next video.